Welcome back to another Frequently Asked Questions Friday video. This week, the topic of discussion is what is the Medicaid 5-year look-back period? Of all the various questions that we get here at Cardinal, I think that the questions about the 5-year look-back period are probably the most complicated, and I think that the 5-year look-back period is probably the most misunderstood topic that we counsel clients on. So to put it quite simply, the 5-year look-back period is the time period immediately before someone applies for Medicaid benefits, for either in-home benefits or benefits to cover nursing home payments. During this period, any gifts or transfers that were made from the applicant to someone else that were made for what we call less than fair market value are scrutinized by the Medicaid office, and the applicant will then be penalized after their resources are otherwise in line with the program's requirements, which means once you're financially eligible, you will then serve a penalty if you made transfers during this period. So to put it quite simply, it's that 5-year period immediately before applying for Medicaid. And this period is one which, when you apply, you need to produce records to the county assistance office and show all of what happened with assets during this period. And the county assistance office is within their rights to ask questions about what happened with assets during this time period. What you need to know about this as well, though, is this also presents an opportunity. The opportunity is to do early planning. So because we know how far the county assistance office can look back on these transfers, we know that there's a cutoff to it. So transfers made more than 5 years before applying for Medicaid are outside the scope of the look-back period, and therefore assets that were transferred at that point in time can be protected from the cost of long-term care. If you've got questions, we'd love to hear from you. Just send us an email, write a comment here on YouTube or on Facebook, and we'd love to answer your question next week. Thanks.